A very good morning, students. This is Anandi. You are watching the video of Edistar Class 2. Today, our subject is English. First of all, I would like to say thank you to all parents and children because many of you wrote well in your grammar book exercises with neat handwriting. Once again, thank you parents and thank you cuties. Today we are going to see new lesson in English literature part. Children, already we have completed 2 lessons in English literature part. Today we are going to see third lesson. The title of the lesson is Three Friends. Now tell me children, how can we see the things? Very good. Through our eyes. Without eyes, shall we see the things? No, we cannot. For example, if we are playing blindfold game, shall we walk properly? No, we cannot because we tied our eyes with the cloth. So, we cannot see anything. We cannot walk properly. Sometimes we may fall down. So, it is very difficult to lead our life without eyes. In this story, a boy cannot see anything. He was blind. He lives his life with the help of his friends. Okay, now tell me children, shall we live our life without speaking? No, we cannot. We have to express our feelings through our speech. If you want to ask something or share our feelings, we have to talk with others. Here, in this story also, one boy was deaf and dumb. That means unable to hear and speak. Deaf meaning is unable to hear. He cannot hear any sound. Dumb means unable to speak. And another one boy cannot walk. His legs are so weak. Now tell me children, without leg shall we walk? No, we cannot. We need legs to move here and there. If our legs are weak, we cannot go anywhere. We cannot do anything. We cannot run, walk, play, etc. So, in this story, there are 3 boys were there. One boy was blind. He cannot see anything. And second one was deaf and dumb. He cannot hear and speak. And another one cannot walk. Okay children, now I am going to start the story. 3 children are very close friends. They are orphans. Children, do you know what is meant by orphan? Orphan means a child whose parents are dead. Orphan அப்படின்னா அப்பா அம்மா இல்லாத குழந்தைங்க, அதாவது ஆசிரமத்துலலாம் வளருவாங்க இல்லையா அவங்க. They live in Mumbai city. Their names are Lallu, Bala and Taman. Lallu cannot walk because his legs are so weak, and Taman became deaf at the age of 4, so he cannot hear and speak. And Bala was blind. He cannot see anything. Children, do you know what is meant by blind? Blind means unable to see. Blind அப்படின்னா கண்ணு தெரியாதவங்கன்னு அர்த்தம். அவங்களால எதையும் பார்க்க முடியாது. Children, once again I repeat it. Lallu cannot walk because his legs are so weak. And Taman became deaf at the age of 4. So he cannot hear and speak. And Bala was blind. He cannot see anything. Children, if you want anything, to whom will you ask? Your parents or relatives. But here, these 3 children are orphans. They don't have parents and relatives. They don't have home also. So, they live on the footpath. Children, footpath means way for people to walk. Footpath அப்படின்னா ரோடில் 2 பக்கமும் நம்ம நடக்கிறதுக்கு ஸ்பேஸ் விட்டுருப்பாங்க இல்லையா, அதுக்கு பேர் தான் ஃபுட்பாத். லல்லு, பாலா அண்ட் தமன் இவங்க 3 பேரும் ஹோம் இல்லாததுனால அந்த ஃபுட்பாத்தில் தான் லிவ் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. ஓகே, பட் these 3 children are very happy. They all are poor. So, they wave baskets. Children, do you know what is meant by basket? Basket means a container used to hold or carry things. Basket அப்படின்னா கூடைன்னு அர்த்தம். நம்ம கடையிலேருந்து திங்ஸ் வாங்கிட்டு வர்றதுக்கு எடுத்துகிட்டு போவோம் இல்லையா, அந்த கூடை. They weave baskets and sell them in the market for their food. They help each other wherever they go. For example, market, bazaar, etc. They all go together. Children, together means into companionship. Together அப்படின்னா எல்லாரும் ஒன்றா சேர்ந்துன்னு அர்த்தம். இங்கே தமன், பாலா, லல்லு 3 பேரும் எங்கே போனாலும் ஒன்றா தான் போவாங்க. பாலா carries Lallu on his shoulders because Lallu cannot walk, and Taman shows them the way because he cannot hear the sound. So he cannot walk alone in the market because many vehicles are moving in the market. He cannot hear the sound, so he cannot walk alone. One day, the 3 friends were going to the market to sell their baskets. At that time, a woman was going with a child. Suddenly, she is shouting, "Help! Help!" Lallu heard the sound behind. He looked back and saw her. Then he saw a man running with her bag. Bala also heard the footsteps coming near to them. Children, do you know what is meant by footstep? Footstep means a step taken by a person in walking. Footstep அப்படின்னா நம்ம நடக்கும்போது ஒவ்வொரு ஸ்டெப்பாக எடுத்து வைக்கிறோம் இல்லையா, அதுதான் footstep. Children, already I told you Bala was blind. He cannot see anything. So, he heard the footstep of a person who coming near to them. Lallu shouted, "Thief! Thief!" Then the thief came near to them. Taman saw the man. Then he took Bala's stick and stuck the thief on his legs. Children, do you know what is meant by stuck? Stuck means unable to move. Stuck அப்படின்னா வாக் பண்ண விடாமல் அவங்கள தடுக்கிறது. Taman took Bala's stick and stuck the thief on his leg. So the thief fell down. This has happened in the bazaar. Soon many people gathered to him and they caught the thief. Then people took the bag from him and returned it to the woman. People called the police to hand over the thief. The woman was very happy and said thanks to the children. She had lot of money in her bag. Then she took out a 100 rupee note from her bag and gave it to 3 friends. And she told, please take this money and buy some things for them. But the children did not take the money and left. They moved very fast to sell the baskets and buy food for them. Children, I hope you all are enjoyed this story. Kutis, we should help physically challenged person and we should give respect to them. Physically challenged person அப்படின்னா இந்த மாதிரி கண்ணு தெரியாதவங்க, நடக்க முடியாதவங்க, காது கேட்காதவங்க, பேச முடியாதவங்க இருப்பாங்க பார்த்தியா, இவங்க தான் ஃபிசிக்கலி சேலஞ்சு பர்சன். இவங்களுக்கு நம்ம கண்டிப்பாக ஹெல்ப் பண்ணணும். அது மட்டும் இல்லை, அவங்கள ரொம்ப மரியாதையாகவும் நம்ம நடத்தணும். ஓகே குட்டீஸ்? சில்ட்ரன், டுடே we are going to read the lesson. Now everyone take your English literature book. Take page number 12. Lesson 3, 3 friends. Children, while I am reading, you just follow me. Now let's start reading. Lesson 3, 3 friends. Friends, friends. Forever, forever. God, good. Friends, friends. Love, love. And. Help. Each. Other. Friends are forever. Good friends love and help each other. Next line. Lallu, Lallu. Bala, Bala. And. Daman, Taman. God, good. Friends, friends. Lallu, Bala and Taman are good friends. They, they, orphans, orphans. They are orphans. They, live, on. The, foot, path, footpath. In, Mumbai. They live on the footpath in Mumbai. They, help, one, another. They help one another. Lallu, Lallu. Cannot. Walk. His. Legs. Weak. Lallu cannot walk. His legs are weak. Bala. Cannot. See. Bala cannot see. Taman. Cannot. Here. And. Speak. Taman cannot hear and speak. He. Became. Deaf. At. The. Age. Of. For. He became deaf at the age of 4. They. All. are, P-O-O-R, poor, B-U-T, but, T-H-E-Y, they, A-R-E-R, H-A-P-P-Y, happy. They all are poor, but they are happy. T-H-E-Y, they, W-E-A-V-E, wave, B-A-S-K-E-T-S, baskets, A-N-D, and S-E-L-L, sell, T-H-E-M, them, I-N-N, T-H-E, the, M-A-R-K-E-T, market. They wave baskets and sell them in the market. Children, now we have completed reading page number 12. You have to read it again by your own. Okay? Let us read the next page in the next video. And we will do the book exercise also. So, don't miss the next video, children. Okay? Thank you, cuties. See you in the next video. Bye.